Alright guys, here is the second truck I'm going to unbox today. It is the Primeval from 2005. Very awesome truck. And here's the back of the card, like last time. So yeah, can't wait to get this unboxed. And alright, so here's the Primeval truck. Before we get to that, it also came with a Monster Jam logo that's cardboard. I'll display that on the wall. Alright, so here is Primeval. Let's look at it on the turntable first. Oh man, so much great detail on this truck. Yeah, so obviously, like I said previously, this truck kind of reminds me of King Kong a little bit. So yeah, and I don't know if this was a Hot Wheels original or not. I believe it was a custom concept by Feld Entertainment. Whoops, sorry. If you guys know about this truck and its design and everything, please let me know in the comments below. Let me know if this was a custom concept by Feld or this was a creation by Hot Wheels. But either way, regardless, Primeval's a really cool truck, and I know it's one of those trucks that's sought after by lots of people. So yeah, so here's the front end of the truck. You got the 3D teeth and the nose. You got a red windshield, red roll cage, chrome rims, metal base, just like Super Trucker. You got the Monster Jam logo on the back, Primeval on the side, Hot Wheels logo. Yeah, such a cool truck. Yeah, I'm so glad I was able to get this on eBay, because, man, this is a really, really nice truck. So, yeah. Alright, guys, so that was the unboxing of Primeval. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe and comment. And just like Super Trucker, this truck will also make its debut in Sign Up Series 23, so look forward to that. Alright, guys. See you in the unboxing video for the Train Trucks Megalodon.